Chemistry. Let's take a look at our worksheet for chapter 11, section 1, talking about volume mass relationships in gases. Number 1, the molar mass of a gas at STP. Okay, STP. We're talking about the molar mass. Remember, molar mass is grams per mole. Grams per mole. The molar mass at STP is the density of that gas. Remember, a density is some sort of mass per volume, so like a grams per liter. The density of the gas multiplied by the mass of 1 mole. Well, now imagine if we have a grams per liter and we multiply it by a grams per mole. We're multiplying grams by grams, so the unit would be grams squared per mole liter. We don't want grams squared or moles per mole liter. What we want is molar mass. We want grams per mole. And so we want something that can get rid of this liters on the bottom and result in a grams per mole. Okay? So we want to end up multiplying by something with liters on the top. Something by liters on the top. So when we go to B or D and we're dividing by something like that, okay, dividing by mass, if we divide by mass, that'll cancel out the grams, okay, and then we can't have a molar mass. There's no mass in it. Divide by liters, well, we'd be dividing by liters squared now, right, because on the denominator we'd have liters times liters, we'd have liters squared. We don't want liters. We want liters to be on the numerator, and we want it to be a multiplication. That way, the liters on this numerator can cancel with this denominator. And so when we look at C, we're multiplying by 22.4 liters per mole. All right, that's at standard temperature and pressure. 22.4 liters of a gas is 1 mole of a gas, right? Standard molar volume. So when we multiply these values, the liters cancel, and I'm left with grams over moles. Well, that's the unit that I was looking for molar mass. So for number 1, the correct answer is C.